Oh, good puppy.
That's okay.
Hey, you. Right there, Tyson, all the way right. Try to grab one.
I said, ew. I have sand all over my legs.
Sweating, Tyson?
Yep.
It was easy, huh? Go. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Muscles. Keep going. Keep going. Don't use your hands. Just keep running. Just keep. Yeah, just imagine like hopping up here and just jumping like this dude. Like, no, here we go. No problem. So that's the first one. Fourth is like a million miles away. That's crazy. It was $150 I gave him this one. That's your coffee with your CBD in it.
You got the CBD?
Yeah.
With almond milk and 1 shot of CBD. Like, do you want 1 or 2? I was like, 1. We don't know how it's gonna be.
Yeah.
Does it taste good? It tastes funny.
It's delicious.
Like, I bet you if anyone tried to break into here, they'd be sorely disappointed when they realized they couldn't get in.
I know. Okay.
Don't just walk over on mounds of earth.
All the gunpowder.
Where's that from?
Upstairs?
I don't understand.
Oh, you don't have to look at your neck. Send you right to the moon.